Keep coming straight. Watch that right side, it's rubbing. Easy, easy. Almost there.
We're looking at significant damage to the front subframe and bumper mounts.
Agreed. Let's get it off the ramps carefully and onto the lift. Watch the clearance on the passenger side. This front bracket is completely sheared.
Yeah, and look at the alignment on the upper control arm. It's pulling hard to the left.
Okay, that should release the main housing.
Yep. Hold on, check the sensor wire here first. Then we can use the lift to access the wheel better. We need another 2 millimeters on the left front. Adjusting the tower now. Check your gauge. Hold it steady right there. Right, okay. Looks aligned. Should I secure the mounts? Go ahead.
Scan complete on my end. What's the laptop saying?
Looks like a consistent error code on the front right wiring harness.
The finish on this door panel is absolutely perfect.
Yeah, it really is. The matte grey looks incredible. That's tight. Check the calipers too.
Good to go.